Boy, I hope old Squeaker in 2020 got out of that strip club. I hope Squeaker in 2020 got out of that strip club. You guys are going to run out of dollar bills out there. Deputy Dog sitting at the bar. Hey, Squeaker. Hey, Mr. Squeaker. You in 2020, get out of that strip bar and get on over there to that big old break. You guys took too long of a break getting there. Hey, 2020, you guys be good. Squeaker, you be good. Deputy Dog over here trying to operate this little OSDR. I'm kind of lost, but at the same time, I think I'm kind of getting it. Deputy Dog down here at Buck Owens Country House. See ya.